how to set up auto reply in Meta Business Suite. So if you want to do this, go ahead to the inbox section on the left sidebar of your dashboard. So go ahead to the left over here. Make sure you're choosing the account that you want to do this on as well. So we're just going to go ahead and switch real quick actually. Anyways, go to inbox over here and you will see the automations option right here to the ignore all of this on the top section. So from here, you will create or just choose this option, which is to create automation, but suggested for you will appear as well. And if you want, it will be found here. Auto reply, which is pretty much what you want. But if this doesn't appear, create automation and go ahead and choose the instant reply, this thing over here, and choose that one. You'll have the option where you'd like to choose or use the automation. Messenger is an option for now. And when this happens as well, and what action it will take. So it will happen if the channel receives a message on the selected platform. What happens is it will instantly reply to the customer. And pretty much here you will change or set the message. So you can just set into whatever you want, and you'll have a limit over here out of 500 letters or letters. You can personalize your message, first name, last name, and everything else. You have emojis as well if you want. So this is what it's gonna look like when it automatically replies to the buyer or whoever messaged that page. And you also have media over here, which is optional. So add an image or video file to your automated response. So choose whatever you like if you want to as well. You can edit it and whatnot. So it will look like this. Let's say you are the one that messaged the page. This is what it's gonna look like in their side. So you can preview it as well again. And once that's all done, just go ahead and press on save changes. You do have the option for away messages, frequently asked questions, instant replies, which is this one over here. Anyways, we're just gonna go back to automations. So you have the away message and identify unanswered messages. So these are all the automations you can take a look at, and that was just one example. But anyways, that's pretty much how you do this process. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.